welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a makeup look with makeup that my daughter has decided to have me make a look with. So she has chosen a vast majority of the makeup here. I did pick out my own face makeup. I also added blush, mascara, and those sorts of things, as she didn't. But I did try to keep it in the theme that she had already chosen, which has been purple and teal together. So she's also given me parameters of the shades I need to use in a look. So I figure it should be fun and I can see what I can come up with. So let's get into it. Okay, so I primed my eyes with the Essence Prime Like a Boss eyeshadow base. This is in the universal shade. And I decided, because I had purple packaging, that that would be the one I would use. I'm going to start with the shade My Bugs. Just blending this into the inner portion of the eye along the crease. Now I'm going into Shriek, blending this for the remaining part of the crease and blending between the two shades. I just kept building that shade up as I needed. Just gonna go into Ragdoll. I found this added some depth to the look. It did take a bit, but I enjoyed just adding a touch of color here and there to build it up, which I think this eyeshadow is really great for. Eventually getting to the place I wanted it to be. Touch of the Mayor. I found adding this shade added some depth to the look and just made it more interesting overall. Okay, so I'm just going to take the No One's Dead. I found this helpful to just blend between the shades and make sure everything looked blended and more even, which I did for the teal and the purple. Inner corner, I'm going to use Ooze. Just a touch to kind of deepen that up. I'm just adding this deep dark shade to the outer corner of the eye. I feel that that adds interest to the look and I just enjoy that. So I am going to just take a touch of Christmas Town. This added more depth into the inner corner of the eye, which I found really helped the look. Okay, I like that. So I was told this shade needed to be included, so I'm going to use Sugar Plum Visions. Just adding that shimmer to the inner corner of the eyelid, trying to keep it towards that area. The next thing she wanted me to use is the Quo Beauty Stay Put eyeshadow. This is in Deep Sea 19. Use a brush, mostly for precision here, or hopefully. I did try to use this cream eyeshadow with a brush, but it seems to warm up and apply better with your finger, and I do think that that's also a better way. I just wanted to add this to the outer corner as well. I do just want to add a touch of Mausoleum over that. I think adding this shade between the two really brought the look together and just added more shimmer to the look, which is always best. Sugar Plum Visions back a little just to kind of merge the two. I just love this shimmer shade every time I use it. So, she also chose the e.l.f. glitter glue. This is, or glitter, I don't know, it's like a glitter glue. This is in Turquoise Twilight. That makes a lot of sense for this look. So I'm just gonna add that. Okay. That's definitely a fun kind of thing, kind of look. I'm just going to finish the other eye. This was supposed to be ocean inspired, like an ocean mermaid kind of inspiration. She also has loved the colors of purple and turquoise, so her seeing these palettes with those colors together kind of, I think, was the inspiration. I do think this is really fun, so I will be back when I finish this on this eye. Okay, so I finished the eyeshadow. I am just going to apply my face makeup and I will be back. Okay, so I have finished most of my face makeup. I'm just going to run through what I did use quickly so that you know. For my moisturizer, I used the St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. I mixed that with the e.l.f. Skin Bronzing Drops. This is in Rose Gold. And primer, I used the e.l.f. Good Vibes Only Soft Velvet Primer. For foundation, I used the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Skin Perfector Essence Hydro Fresh Tint. This is in 10 Fair. As my color corrector, I used the e.l.f. Putty Color Corrector Eye Brightener in Fair. For concealer, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory. To set everything, I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Loose Setting Powder. And my brows, I used the LA Colors Brow Pencil, Eyebrow Pencil in Medium. I'm gonna finish some of the face. I decided to use the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush in 03 Goldie Cassis because it is purple and I felt it would work really well with the theme and overall what my daughter did choose. And just a touch on the nose. So for highlighter, I'm going to use the Essence Never Give Up Your Daydream eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the shades Blooming and Sweet Dreams mixed together as my highlighter today. I feel adding the highlighters and mixing the two together really brought the purple into the face, and I just love highlighter or anything that sparkles, really. I'm just going to set my face with setting spray and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna line my eyes with the ColourPop BFF cream gel liner in Catsuit. I used this in the outer portion of the eye on the most part, just to add depth. And I'm gonna use the ColourPop BFF cream gel liner in Zulu on the inner corner here. And I used this lighter teal shade just to keep that area lighter. These were chosen from my daughter as part of the look that I had to use. Doing that same thing on the opposite eye, I just wanted to kind of have a mixture of dark and light and to play with both eyeliner shades that my daughter had chosen, as I thought it would make her very happy. Okay, so beneath the eyes, I'm going to take Ragdoll. I always enjoy putting eyeshadow beneath the eye, I feel like it connects everything together better. So I'm going to go into Shriek. Although you don't have to do this, and you could just skip what I am doing here if that isn't what you like. Just going to go into Boney Fingers. I just wanted to add a touch of that shimmery purple. I just feel it added that into the bottom of the eye as well, which I just feel works best for me. I'm just going to add mascara and I will be back. Okay, so I applied the e.l.f. Big Mood mascara. This is in black. I chose it because it went with the theme my daughter had already picked out. So I'm going to use the last thing, well actually second last thing she has chosen for me. This is the Melt Glitter Eye Gel from the Disney Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas collection. This is in 0. Oh, right here. Last is the lip. She gave me 2 different choices. This is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Submersive Socialite, or the Essence Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in 10 Sparkling Purple. I'm gonna go with the lip gloss. I feel this is just kind of too heavy for my vision of this, so this is the finished look I created with makeup my daughter picked out. That is the finished look. She had chosen this based on the ocean, and I kind of decided to make this more mermaid kind of. But I really did have a great time creating this look. I thought this was fun to see what I could do with colors and makeup that someone else picked out, and I had to kind of make it come together. So I kind of found that a little fun. Maybe another family member will pick out my makeup for me and I will create another look based on what they pick out. But for today, I am finished creating this ocean inspired, I feel like mermaid inspired makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope you had fun watching this as well. I thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.